great from beginning to end. Justin, the representative, did a thorough presentation. Everything that he said would happen did happen. The time frame was great. I got calls from Paradise every step along the way to inform me what was happening, when it was happening. They took care of everything. I didn't have to go to the front office and deal with getting permission from the homeowners association. They got all the permits from the city. And the day of the installation, I was really apprehensive about it because I tend to be kind of crazy clean and finicky about dust and dirt. And Justin prepared me for the fact that there would be dust and dirt. But the crew arrived, and the time frame was between 9 and 10. They got here at a little before 9, which amazed me. I was expecting to get a call at 11 while we're on the way, kind of thing, which has been my experience with other companies, certainly not with Paradise. But they got here, they immediately started. I had moved all the stuff away from the windows. They immediately started covering everything with plastic. They worked efficiently. They took 20 minutes for lunch, which was astounding to me that that's all it took. And the gentleman who was the head of the 3-man crew told me that they would be finished around 3 o'clock, and like 2 minutes after 3, they were finishing up and they left. They had vacuum cleaners. They vacuumed up all the dust and dirt. They took all the debris. They had trash cans, so in every room when they took stuff off the old windows, they put it in the trash can. I was amazed, actually. I've never had such a good experience, and I've been through house renovations, and this to me was a major renovation in the past, and there was always some catastrophe that seemed to happen that delayed things, that things didn't work out the way that they were supposed to. That didn't happen in Paradise or folks here. It's been a really great experience.